Precious Squad, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for clicking that play button and for tuning in again. Today I am here with a clean with me video. So many people have been doing this and haven't done a clean with me video in a while. So I'm at work obviously, and this morning I just changed my linen. I'm actually putting my sheet and mattress protector in the washer. So Sho Madjozi is not here. I've managed to connect the TV to my Netflix, Showmax, YouTube, so all the things I actually use or watch. So I figured, since I'm just gonna be here, here alone, I might as well clean. My rug is really dirty, like the thing, like it's really dirty, so we're just gonna go straight into the cleaning. If you are new here, my name is Mbali Maseko. Welcome boo, or welcome. But of course, in order to join the Precious Gang and Precious Squad, do click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a post. And to everyone, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, it is 5:15. I'm so crazy. Yeah. I just finished doing laundry. So what I did, I finished up cleaning. So I'm gonna show you after. I finished up cleaning and then I did the kids' laundry and I did my laundry. So we are done for the day. So let me just show you how everything looks like. So while I was doing laundry, I was watching Money Heist. So many of you guys recommended Money Heist, and I have been hooked on Money Heist. I'm on season 3 now, episode 2, and by the end of this weekend I'll probably be done. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for chilling with me and get to see how I clean. I guess it was so dirty, like Sho Madjozi, guys. It was dirty. This side of the apartment was really dirty, but this now it smells really good and fresh. So did a good job. We did a good job. So I'm just gonna go pack my clothes. I took the kids' clothes already in their rooms, so I'm just gonna pack my clothes and just rest because I'm really exhausted. I'm gonna take a shower and finish off at least 4 or 5 more. Well, maybe finish season 3 tonight. But I am exhausted and I need to do my hair. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And I love you. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and share this video with your people and their people. So yeah, guys, bye.